Good morning, students. Now we are going to learn about graph histogram. What is histogram? A histogram is a graph of a continuous frequency distribution. Histogram contains a set of rectangles, the base of which the length of a class interval and the frequency in each class interval its height. The class intervals are represented on the horizontal axis and the frequency represented on the vertical line is a y-axis. This one is a horizontal axis, this one is a vertical axis. So horizontal axis is a x-axis, so vertical axis is a y-axis. So that is a class interval in its heights. The area of each rectangle is proportional to the frequency in the respective class interval. The total area of the histogram is proportional to the total frequency. The rectangles are placed continuously side by side with no gap between adjacent rectangles. There is a no gap. So continuous rectangles. So continuous histograms. That is a set of rectangles. That is called the histograms. Okay. The horizontal axis is a x-axis. So right hand side is a x and left hand side is a x dash. So x means plus and x dash is a minus. That means y dash y dash y. So y dash means minus, y means plus. So x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 6 years. So assumptions, x axis 1 centimeter is equal to 6 years, y axis 1 centimeter is equal to 100 females. So given that, so the following table given the number of literate females in the group 10 to 45 years in a town. Age group 10 to 15, 16 to 21, 22 to 27, 28 to 33, 34 to 39, 40 to 45. So number of females 10 to 15 350. 16 to 21 920 females, 20 to 27 850 females, so 28 to 33 480 females, 34 to 39 230 females, 40 to 45 200 females. So this is not a continuous series, isn't it? Is it a variation? So difference between 16 minus 15 1. So continuous frequency distributed into the following histogram. Okay. So continuous distribution using the adjustment factor 0.5. So gap between him 0.5. The class interval 10 minus 9.5. The first class interval 10 minus 0.5. So adjacent frequency 10 minus 0.5 9.5. So plus. So first one is a minus subtracted minus 0.5, then plus added to the plus 0.5. First interval plus minus 0.5, then another interval plus 0.5. So each first upper lower limit having a subtracted minus 0.5. Okay. Then upper limit having a plus 0.5. So added. So 9.5, 10 minus 0.5, 9.5. So next one is a added plus 0.5, 15 plus 0.5, 15.5. So age group 9.5, 15.5, 15.5 to 21.5, 21.5 to 27. So up to 39.5 to 45.5. So that is a continuous frequency, isn't it? So 15.5 continues to another table 15.5. So next one is a 21.5 finished, then continues into 21.5 in another age group. Okay. So following the histogram is already we studied. Right hand side is a plus, left hand side is a minus, then y dash y axis. So upper vertical line having a plus. So lower perpendicular having a y dash. So perpendicular or vertical. Okay. Then next, gap. Histogram between the, no gap between the rectangles. Okay. So 9.5 to 15.5. How many females are there? 350. Then 15.5 to 21.5. How many females are there? 920. Then another age group 21 to 27.5 to 850. So each box having 100 centimeter. So x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 6 years. So difference between 15.5 minus 9.5, 6. So y-axis having a 1 centimeter, 100 females. Each box having a 100, 200, 300, 400 up to 1000. So next 27.5 to 33.5, 450 females. 33.5 to 39.5, 230 females. 39.5 to 45.5, 200 females. So this is the age group. This one is the number of females. Okay. Understand? Yes. The following is a distribution of a time spent in the library by students in a school. Time spent in minutes: 10 to 30, 20 to 30, 40 to 50, 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, 80 to 90. This is a continuous series. Okay. So number of students given there. Then another one is a, so already we studied x-axis. This is a y-axis. This is a y-axis. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 to x-axis. So each y-axis 1 centimeter contains 5 centimeter. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay. So first we continuous. Listen. Minor mistake. Okay. So 5. So 5 contain 25, 10 to 20, 25 members. 20 to 30, 40 students. 30 to 40, 30 students. Then next 40 to 50, 28. 50 to 60, 33. Okay. Then 60 to 70, 20. Then 70 to 80, 16. 80 to 90, 8. So each box having a 5 centimeter. Okay. So time spent in the library, number of students. So histogram following 0.5, 5. So 25. So 25 center. This is a center. Join at the center. 0.5 to the join at the center. The next 40. Listen. So this is a 5. Okay. Each line having a 1 centimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So join the line 5. Then next 20. Then next 28. 0.5. Then next 23. Then next 20. Next one 16. Next one is 8. So finished. Okay. Did you understand? Yes. Draw a frequency polygon for the following data using histograms. Marks 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, up to 90 to 100. Number of students 5, 8, 10, 18, 25, 22, 20, 13, 6, 3. Okay. So this one is a x-axis, this one is a y-axis. Horizontal line is a x-axis, vertical line is a y-axis. Okay. Then next 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Then next So y-axis contains 1 centimeter contains 2 students. One box having 2 students. Okay, then next 10 to 20, how many members? 5. Then next 10 to 20, 8. 20 to 30, 10. For 30 to 40, 18 students. Then next 40 to 50, 25. 60 to 70, 22. Then 70 to 80, 12. 80 to 90, 6. 90 to 100, 3. So this is a marks, this is a number of students. Then next join the histograms. So center of the frequencies. So already you know that, yes, center line, join the center line. So 0.5, sorry 5, 8. So listen, so join the center of the line. Okay, center of the line means 5 centimeter. Then next 10, 18, 25, 22, 20, 12, 6, 13. Then next join the line. Okay, so x-axis contain 1 centimeter is equal to 10 marks, y-axis is equal to 2 students. Marks, number of students. Do you understand? Yes, sir. If you have any doubt, kindly call and ask me. Prepare well for the exam. Thank you. All the best.